Imagine you're on a highway. A small car and a 40-ton truck are driving at the same speed. Suddenly, both drivers slam on their brakes, applying the exact same braking force. Who stops first? The answer is obvious, but the reason why is one of the most fundamental rules of the universe. The secret is Newton's second law: force equals mass times acceleration, or F equals m times a. It's the simple but powerful equation that dictates how everything moves. Force, measured in newtons, is the push or pull. Mass, in kilograms, is how much stuff an object is made of, its resistance to changing motion. And acceleration is the rate at which speed changes. The formula reveals two critical relationships. First, if you increase the force, you increase the acceleration. That's why a sports car needs a powerful engine to create a massive force for a blistering launch. But here's the crucial flip side. Mass and acceleration are inversely proportional. For the same amount of force, the more massive an object is, the less it accelerates. Think of pushing an empty wheelbarrow. It zips away. Now fill it with heavy bricks. With that same push, it barely budges. That's inertia in action. So, back to our highway disaster. The truck has 40 times more mass than the car. So with the same braking force, it has 40 times more resistance to slowing down. The math is brutal. The car decelerates 40 times faster. This isn't just a textbook problem. It's a life or death calculation that explains why you never, ever cut off a heavy truck. From a rocket leaving Earth to the simple act of tripping, F equals ma is the invisible law governing our world.